Hello guys, Kumar here. How are you? Welcome to our channel Problem Solver Team. Today we are going to start all Delta PLC in DVP series. There is a book for all PLC. I am operating it now. This is basically a manual of Delta PLC. Here the different model Delta PLC for DVP series we use is dvp-10SX 11R of DVP-SX series. There are two types of PLC models, relay type and transistor type. We all know that PLC means Programmable Logic Controller is an electronic device. PLC read the status of external input device, keypad, sensor, pulse, etc. We all know that every manufacturing company has a software for specific programming. We'll use this software Delta WPLSoft 2.51. We'll use this software Delta WPL 2.51. I open this program software and make this program. We know that input terminal x0, x2 and more than in output terminal y0, y1, y2 and more than. Now programming name combination logic, first row, second row and third row. First row x0 is pressed, y0 is on, x0 is not pressed, y0 is off. Now x0 is pressed, y0 is on, x0 is not pressed, y0 is off. First row is complete. Second row x1 normally close contact, x1 is not pressed, y1 is on, x1 is pressed, y1 is off, x1 is pressed, y1 is off, x1 is not pressed, y1 is on. Second row is complete. And third row x2 normally close contact and x3 x4 is open contact. x2 is not pressed and x3 x4 is pressed, y2 will be on. x2 is not pressed, x3 is on, x4 is on, y2 is on, y2 is on, x3 off, x4 off, y2 is off. Then third row is complete. Thank you for my watching.